No mercy. This one is very classic, dedicated to all the schoolers who attend the scholarship. I knew from the last school was dismissed. No mercy. The angel ruler said they must respect this. Take it to the whole nation. Me sing. Education people treat you like a book. You know how the man now do you want to go. They know how to tell the man about it, and now book. So pick up all the youths I can't see one man and men a room. Me look and me sing and say, you now know I fool the one the men's and the chair. School that's just wave on the hands in the air. You know a rectangle, the end from a square. Pronounce your words, them loud and clear. Facebook now have no dodges and them no care. And you know them expensive and care. And make sure you know the can't clean when you're aware. School that's just sit up and chill and say, look up, every pressure on your up. The internet has foolish your mind on a cup. And you never let your work and you keep like a fuss. Everyone is with the purse and you do want to choke. And pass you never want to work and this tonight you look and say, look up, every pressure on your up. If you don't know education, people treat you like a book. Don't know you on the man, no, who you want to go. Then no one to tell the man about it and I can't look. So pick up all the youths and see all the boys come and make a broom. We look and you sing and you say, you love your education. This one needs to go, keep it all inside. And you must go and make you reach it up.
Ha! Ha ha ha. Another day in our kitchen. I walk till I don't know what to do. Them have the nerve. Master Baker so good. Master Baker gone international. Worldwide. Them a send student to come learn how to cook in my kitchen today. Master Baker not like no picnic, you know. Master Baker not like no picnic. And I better not come up in here, sir, and be stubborn. Master Baker not no patience. I wonder if them know what them, I wonder if them teacher them know what them are do. Me don't want no tough egg picnic up in here. You understand? To come raise up my blood pressure. She's supposed to die any minute now. Yeah, any minute now. She's supposed to die. Yeah. Maybe go and hot up the pot. Come in, I want to come turn on the stove and get burned. You understand? She's supposed to learn to come fry fish. That's what the teacher tell me. Fish and decorate cake. Yeah. Because Master Baker the best in the cake business, in the cooking business. In every business, Master Baker are the best. Oh, let me see what she name. I have to check out what she name. Yeah, so I know what to call her. She come up in here of manners. Yeah, yes, mom. Yes, Master Baker. Deal with me some manners. You understand? Manners. Oh, what's your name? What's your name? Oh, she name Mary Puss. Yes. Me start decorate my cake already because me don't want to come pile it up. You understand? Me start decorate my cake already because me don't want to come pile it up. You understand? Yeah, she have to lay it flat and nice. Yes, make sure it nice and flat. Yes. Oh, what time? After 3 and the little girl is supposed to be at 3 o'clock. Oh, I think me hear somebody. Are you named Mary Puss?
Yes. Master Baker?
Yes, I'm Master Baker.
I'm Master Baker. Mary Puss.
Mary Puss. Mary Puss. I want to send another for.
They sent me down here to learn how to cook
Yes.
fish.
Yes, fish.
And to learn to decorate a cake.
Okay, I'm for learn for that. So where you dress up so far? A school, a state of school you come from?
I'm coming from school.
You come from school?
Yeah.
Where name of your school?
Ketchman College.
Ketchman College.
Yeah.
Alright, now man not done in a Master Baker kitchen for your catch. And Master Baker already catch the fish then.
That's just the name of my school now.
Okay. And Master Baker already catch the fish then. Me swim in water last night to catch the fish.
Oh.
Yes, me catch the fish. I me have the fish ready. Me season up the fish. Come in a while you come boil up the fish. I mean, I have time to teach you how to season. Nothing. Just do what you normally do and tip like a salt on it and like a black pepper. You understand?
Just salt and pepper?
Just salt and black pepper. And you have to sanitize it now. Put down the big bag.
Where?
You know, on the airport, this, you know.
I have to take pictures when I'm done. So I'm
Yes,
just gonna
put your phone there. Yes, but what kind of luggage that? You're not going to
This
airport.
is my school bag.
A school bag.
Yeah, this
you
is
look
the
like
bag they give us
a
at school.
sleepover bag that.
No.
Where you catch man with.
No, that's the bag they give us at school.
Okay, alright. Okay, now come up with a master baker with a suitcase next time. A backpack, and that's it. You understand?
Well, I have to carry the bag that they give me from school.
Master baker don't like say luggage.
Well, that's the
Oh,
bag. they give us.
Sanitize. When you come up with it, sanitize. That's what a master baker rules.
Okay.
Alright? And it's your apron. Yes. I'm a tough wash your hand. Wash your hand. We don't need no nastiness in a master baker kitchen. Wash your hand. And here's the apron. Here's the apron. Yes. And the fish them already seasoned. Already. Me season them.
Okay.
Alright? I don't have time to show you all the different seasons them what me use because I don't have them in this
Can
country.
you tell
I
me
don't
if
have
they ask me, I can tell them?
Yeah.
They're going to ask me what exactly you showed me and everything, so.
That's what the guy market go to Jamaica section, take down every season back there, except curry and pour it on the fish.
Everything
Yes.
except?
Everything except curry. If you make curry fish, you just drop curry on it.
Okay.
Yes. So tie up yourself. You can see me good?
I can see you good.
Yes, look, I'm in a talk more than once.
Okay.
Are you ready to take instruction?
I am.
You're ready to take instruction. You want to start with the fish first, or you want to start with the decorating of the cake?
The fish.
The
first.
fish,
Yeah.
alright? The fish
I don't
that's...
have to taste it, right? Because I don't eat fish.
Let me tell you nothing about tasting fish.
I'm just making sure.
Master baker, them they say that don't have to name in the master baker kitchen.
No, but you know.
Them not send you to learn.
They make us taste everything before we eat. Before
They,
we
you're the master baker kitchen. You're not there a feed them kitchen. We not taste nothing in a master baker kitchen. We're good like that, we're not have to taste.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah, I want to get like that.
Yes.
That's why I wanted to come to you.
Alright, so you're there now.
Yeah.
A master baker have the fish them ready.
Yeah.
Alright? The fish them there. Yes? So the fish them here. Yes. Them have the head pan them. Me clean them and me got them already. Me clean them and got them. Yes. They are the fish.
Those
yes.
are some
Them
fine
have
fish.
So you didn't expect to come up in here and learn how to fry shark?
No.
Our wheel?
No, something like
Master Baker no share in a big wagga portion. You know how long me have to swim to catch them here? Them swift, you know.
Well, that's why I thought
No,
I was going to
no.
snapper because they're bigger and it wouldn't have taken me.
Snapper!
Yeah.
THS, you want to come up in here and learn to cook snapper. Me go after I snapper them swift. I pick me them, me didn't able to catch. So snapper in there, shark in there, the only thing I them pick me. I them pick me. Why? Don't they start you off with that child first before they become adults?
Yeah.
Alright, so what you want to start off with big people for? You start off with the pick me them first, then we move you up to the father, the grandmama, and so on for and cousin. Alright? Next time you come back, you will get bigger one. You understand?
Yes,
but we have to
yes.
start off with the pick me them first.
Yes.
Yes? Them all grow in a big fish. Yes? Maybe next time you come, I want wheel you to lay down on the counter.
Oh,
But we have to start off with them.
Okay.
Yes, a man love fish head. You understand?
Okay.
So I left on the head. Them nicely got and seasoned. You understand?
Okay.
Not afraid of them, then dead. Master Baker make sure kill all of them last night.
Oh.
Yes?
Okay.
So, nobody afraid of them.
No.
Yes?
No.
Me season them already. Them nice. Me put some black pepper, some garlic powder, and all of that on it. You
Okay.
understand?
Okay.
Not just salt and pepper.
Okay.
And it oil they are hot. You understand?
Okay.
Yes, the oil they are hot. So just pick up a couple of them and drop in the oil. Drop in the
Can I
oil.
carry this over there?
Carry over, but don't drop the people that pick me. Don't drop the fish pick me them. Yes, you don't want to drop them. They're delicate.
Okay.
Yes. So just let us turn on the light so you can see because you look like you're blind. Drop couple of pick them in there. You hear it go psh. That means it a fry.
Sizzling.
It a sizzle. Them a fry. Yes, fry. You can put like all 20 of them in there now. That will fit. Yes. Just drop there. 20 of them can fit in there. Yes. Good and ready.
That's
Yes?
good?
Yes. Show some more in them, man. We're not in a long teaching. You understand? Remember, say you cook for people in a restaurant or a wait, so you can't take too long. Them a bubble now.
Yeah.
Them a bubble. You understand? So, yes, that's how you fry the fish then. Make them go and fry, and we're over here, so I decorate the cake. Me already did start decorate, and you lay it flat. You understand? And do your thing. Don't mess up the cake. You just lay it nice and neat. Go ahead and put a little bit on it.
Okay.
Yes, me there to teach you. You understand?
Is that a good amount, Master Baker?
Yes, that's a good amount. And you take your time and lay it. You lay it? Yes. Yes. Because I put a good pan cake decoration, you know.
Oh.
Yeah, I put a lot good pan here. I him
He
teach
taught
me.
you?
I him teach me.
Oh, wow.
But not tell nobody I him teach me.
Okay.
Yes, him teach me. Yes.
How am I doing, Master
You
Baker?
do good. You do good. All we need now is get some prettiness figure up on top of it.
Okay.
You understand? Because him not teach me for doing
Is
plain.
it like that?
You understand? Yes. Me need to pay attention with some of the things that me make put on it. You understand?
Oh.
But me just create my own little thing. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. You do good. You do good.
I'm trying.
You do
I'm
good.
trying.
You do good. You do good in a master baker kitchen. You do good. Me like how you take telling. You're not stubborn. Yeah. You're not stubborn. All right. Me I go make you go to the garden and cut a couple of flowers so we can put on it. You know what Master Baker garden there, right around the corner?
Right around
yes.
the corner?
You're just going to the garden and cut off some flowers in the garden. You hear?
Okay.
Yes. Cut off some flowers.
Okay.
Look like that.
Okay.
For me. Yes. And come back. Let her watch the fish. Them a bubble. Them a fry nicely. Yes. 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 Master Baker. Look, fry. Them a fry nice and crispy. All of them. Yes. Yes. Them a fry good. Them a fry great. Then they pan track. Yes, them they pan track.
I cut these. I
Yeah.
cut two.
You cut two of them. All right. You cut them nice. Yes. So you go ahead and you just stick them. Stick them. Yeah. Right. And stick them down in the cake. You understand? You just push them down. Yes. And get nice.
But Master Baker, don't you put fondant flowers on your cake?
Fondant?
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 Yeah,
You're
but
not
you go
supposed to
fondant.
put real flowers on your cake. You're
Why?
supposed to use fondant. You
Fondant
make
for?
it out of fondant
Fondant what? Fondant for what?
to make your flowers.
How come you come up in a Master Baker kitchen for back chat on, girl?
I'm not trying to back chat, Master
You know
Baker,
how
but that's
long
what they
me,
taught
you
us at
know how
school.
long me I do cake. You know how long me I decorate cake. You come up here to come back chat me. A 5 out of this year. Back up and take 5. A 5 you get. One out your hand, a 5 you get. One out your hand. 5.
You gonna hit me with that?
5. 5 you get. 5. 5 you get. Yes. Come. Next one. Next one. Next one. Come. When you come up in here, yes, you're not back chat, Master Baker. You understand it? Next one, I do that. Come. Next one, man. Next one. Yes, you're not coming here. Come back chat, Master Baker. Master Baker no use no fondant, no fondue. Them things are redundant. Yes, I treat that. 2 more for you. 2 more. On a listen. I cry. You know, listen. Listen when people attack. You have to have manners. That are 4. One more, man. One more. If you can't take one, you can't take lick. Come, one more.
Type of school.
Yes, at this type of school, Master Baker run up in here. Yes, next one, last one, man. One last one. Yes, one last one. And one by your battery to for that. Yes, man. You know, come up in a Master Baker kitchen. Come run up your mouth. You understand? You know, run up your mouth on Master Baker. Your fish done fry. You understand? You take it out. Yeah, take it out and put it on there. Yeah, take out the first set. Okay. Yeah, take out the first set. Yeah. On a two, go on like on a big and grown. A Master Baker teacher on there, sir. Yeah, me not king teeth with people. Yeah, let me see how you take it out. Yes, take it out. Take it out. Yeah, take it out. Next time you come up in here, you're not back chat Master Baker. When she send off the flowers from garden, you just go and you get flowers from garden. You understand? Yeah. You don't come and ask about fondant, fondue, or fun.
I was just
Yes.
going by what they taught us in school.
When me talk, you listen. Not chat back. in the class. You understand? Not shot back. Yeah. You just keep your mouth. Next set, drop him in there. Next set, drop him in there. Yeah. Me just say next set.
Okay.
Well, you still a pick out. Next set.
I don't want them to burn.
Me say next set. Pick and make me beat you, woman. Next set. Next set. Yeah. Why you turn off my stove for? Why you turn off my stove for? Eh? Why you turn off my stove for?
I'm sorry.
All right. Drop in the wall of that. Yeah. Drop in the wall of that. Yes. Drop in the wall of that. Yes. Now burn up your fish around here. Now burn up nothing around here. Yes. You're going to learn. You're going to be the best cook. Yeah. The best. Best chef.
I heard your food tastes very good.
My food, everything tastes good. So now back to the cake. You understand? So we're going to decorate this thing. Yes. You're pushing down. You're pushing down. You understand? You push it down. Yes. And you have a lovely, lovely birthday cake. Yes? Lovely birthday cake. Understand? You have a lovely birthday cake. And that's how you do it. Yeah? That's how you do it. Get your camera now and take your picture. Yes, take your picture. Show them what you did at Master Baker Kitchen. Yes? Show them what you did. Nice, lovely cake. Nice cake. When you can't taste, I'm not cutting the cake, but you taste none of the cake. You understand? Too licky and yummy. You're not going to eat. Yes. 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 Pretty. Make sure you show all of your classmates them. Show all of your classmates them. Where you come and learn at Master Baker Kitchen. Yes. So you saw it pretty.
Yeah.
Yes. So you see you don't need no fondue or nothing. You just stick some flowers in there. You can take out your vase too. Yeah.
Oh.
You don't have to put all them work there into it.
I can cut them from my garden outside?
You can cut them from your garden outside. You understand? Your garden from outside, go in your vase. If you don't have nothing in your garden, just grab out two from your vase. You understand? So the fish soon done. The fish soon done? Yes. The fish soon done. As a matter of fact, them done already. So go ahead and take them out. Take them out. Yeah, them done. They say them done. Fish not take long to fry. Yes, fish not take long to fry. Tap run around your mouth in here. Don't run around your mouth around here. You understand? So you have some nice, crispy little fish. And we're going to make up a nice little plate right here. And show you how you make up your plate. Yes? Make up your plate with your fish. Yes.
Okay, okay, I'm coming.
Alright. You're very slow. Master Baker, move fast. A fast pace. Me move in my kitchen. You're very slow. Yeah.
Well, they give us something else to use.
Yes. You're very slow. So you take your little fish. Yeah. Take your little... No. You take up one and at a time. Yeah? And you line them in a plate. Yes? Everybody want to see that all of fish. You understand? You're nice all of fish. Yes? We're not going to give them the broke up fish. You're nice like all of fish. Them. Yes. So when next time you come back, you learn to fry the mama fish. Them I pick the fish. Okay. Yes. Them I pick the fish. Next time, you learn to fry the mama fish. Yes. That's what we're doing at Master Baker Kitchen. Yeah. Yes. So pretty them is and them crispy. Yes. Them very crispy.
Very crispy.
Yes. And you can put a little ketchup. You know what I mean? You tip a little ketchup. And that's all they need for eating with. A little ketchup and a little pepper sauce.
Oh,
you understand?
Okay.
And you not forgot them fish.
Oh.
They don't come with no gut.
They don't come with no gut.
They don't come with no gut. Yeah. Me don't know how they live, but they don't come with no gut.
They don't have no gut.
They not no gut when them little. Okay. A baby fish, them now, yes.
They haven't grown to have gut.
Yeah, them have to grow to have gut. They may not have no gut. Okay. You understand?
Yeah.
So what did you learn today? Run it down with me.
I learned that you season, put salt and pepper and garlic and whatever from the Jamaican section in the store.
Dump it all on it.
And dump everything in there.
Yes.
And then you heat up your oil, wait for your oil to heat up.
Yes.
And when your oil's heated up, then you put them in there.
Yes.
Let them go on fry.
Right.
And then you take them out and put them on a plate. And then you
can put them on a piece of paper towel too. But them are not well no much oil. So you don't have to do that. Oh. With the mama fish and papa fish, you do that. Yeah, but them are like a picnic fish, so you don't give them everything where you give them adult fish. Oh. You understand?
Okay.
Yeah.
And then the cake.
Yes.
I learned that you make it nice and smooth.
Yes.
And you make sure that there's enough so that you don't see the cake underneath.
Right.
Make it nice and smooth.
Right.
And you can put flowers on it. It doesn't have to be fondant flowers.
Yes.
I can pick it from my garden. I can pick it from my flower vase.
Yes.
And put it on there.
And just jam it down in there.
Just jam it in there.
Yes, yes. And if you want to say happy birthday, you can just cut out some happy birthday out of one comic book, out of any book, and just stick it on top. You will roll it down, because the icing, it coming like glue.
Oh.
You understand?
Oh.
So you just cut out happy birthday out of paper.
Oh.
Yeah.
I can just cut different letters on it.
Yeah, different letters.
Put it on
And just stop it on top.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
Happy birthday. They're not going to have a letter them anyways. You understand?
Oh.
And you don't want to send the best flowers them out of your face, because they want to take them and put in a for them face.
Oh.
You understand? So now we can use nice flowers. Now use a nice flowers.
I can use some that are dead?
Yeah, man.
Dry?
Send the dead flower, dried flowers. Yes.
Oh.
Because they want to take them then out and put in a them face.
Oh.
And you don't want you wear your nice flowers so people put in a them face.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
You understand everything Master Baker teaches
Yes,
us?
yes.
All right, you have to come back.
I have a couple more classes I need to come back
Yes.
there for.
Yes.
So please put your belt away for next time.
Me not put my belt away. When you come in the Master Baker kitchen, you have to have discipline.
I don't like your belt, man.
Me not like you chatting back to me. Me
hurts my
not
head.
like you chatting back to me. You understand? I play good reggae music up in here. I play nice music up in here. Master Baker play vibe. You understand?
Let me take a picture of the fish.
Yeah, take a picture of the fish. I will play vibes in music up in here. Yes, vibes the thing go on.
And you must let go. And when you reach the top, don't you forget it all. But your soul will say only time and you show. And with your soul deep and the can't get through. That's family, mama respect is true. That's the energy I hold and you hold and hold.
We're proud of you. We're proud of you. And you come back. Yes. And I run after one. You just do a Master Baker something. Yes. 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 You look good. Yes. Never see one seat. One seat to the left. Yes. Seat. Yes. Alright. God go with it. Alright. Yes. And talk next people, man. Alright. Yes. Big up. Yes.
And make sure you do it from clean when you are aware. He was so he was cool as jump up and share. With your education you're all clear. And you say over the pressure who you go. You're illiterate and foolish and mind on the go.
Big up on yourself. Let's chat to some of the Master Baker people. Big up on yourself. What a go on. From what I go on. Let me the camera, I turn it around. I see the people. Yes. What a go on from what I go on. Yes. How y'all doing? Where the Master Baker people there? Big up on yourself. Yes, big up on yourself. Nice, beautiful kings and queens. Let me see if we can see no comment from Master Baker. Big on up. Yeah, man. Jeanette. What a go on. Lord, it a go so fast. Rose, big up yourself. Locks. I love you guys. I love you guys. Hopefully I made you laugh. That's what Master Baker is all about. Yes, guys, we're not going to YouTube because the YouTube now have the Master Baker filter where I see on me right now. Yes, so we have to keep it at Facebook. But make sure you still support my YouTube channel. Alright? How y'all doing? If I love you one more time, you see? Yes. If I love you one more time, you see? Yes, big up on a nice self. Master Baker just want to take the time out for big up you guys. And thank you for joining me. Yes, thank you for joining Master Baker. Donna, where you say me hardly can see the comment them. Me need my next phone. Student, bring the phone come so we can read the comment them. up the people. Unique. What a guan. What a guan, Unique. Yeah, me I wait for the next phone for reading a comment. Mike, bring me your phone. Come up on the phone here. And I can't find the other phone. Yeah. I love Master Baker Batty. Me know I love Master Baker Batty, you know. Yeah, them a fight against Master Baker Batty. Or they no fight against
Big up Kings.
Or they no fight against Madia Batty. Yeah. Madia discriminate them. Or they no fight against Girly Batty and Master Baker Batty. Them alone have strength for. And we're not talking about. Master Baker no fi have no Batty. Away the backside. No, sir. Marcia Smith, what a guan. Stacy Hilton, what a guan. Yeah, Edna. Bad. What a guan. Lovelet. Elaine. Yes, Hazel. Laurel, what a guan. Jamaican Sweetie Pie, what a guan. Roxanne. What a guan. Wendy.
Donna Barrett.
Donna, what a guan.
Pamaletta.
Yes, Pamaletta. Michelle Williams, pick up yourself.
Kim.
Lorraine Felix.
Jacqueline.
Jacqueline. Big up on yourself, Marlene Evans. Audrey Brooks. Michelle Rogers. Yvonne McLean. Yes, big up
Carol James.
Carol James. Angela Cummings. Yeah, Willett. Cheryl. Car Fate. How you doing? Cheryl. Yes, Cheryl Alcott. How you doing? Francilla. Big up yourself, Cece. Big up, Cheryl Burnett. It'll go fast, but me just want to take the time out for big up you guys and thank you guys
big up
for joining us on another Master Baker. Later we'll come on with the party. No matter if them shut you down or I don't know. Yes. Let me see some more. Maybe a couple more shout out before me go. Joy, Richard Harper. Big up yourself. Venice. Jacette. Yes, Francilla.
JK.
Yeah, J.K. Walter Watson. Marcia Smith. We said that. JJ. We said, yeah, big up Georgia. Big up yourself, Georgia. Jason Latte.
Thank you.
Yes, big up on yourself.
Big up Wendy.
Master Baker, love you guys. Have a blessed rest of the day and thank you for joining me, alright? Love you guys and there's nothing you can do about it. Yeah, man, them a fight against Master Baker Batty. Yeah. I want to them. Lord, I want to them. I want to them. I forgot to feed them a tiki. Then shut the hell up. Huh? Yeah, mermaid, I need some of my tiki. Mermaid, I need some of my tiki.
Yeah,
one more time for the party.
Hold on.
Oh. Yes. Yes, we'll come again.
Not a mercy.
Yes.
This one is very classic. Dedicated to us, who has what I mean.